Foodies Day Out. We're at a very unique cart that promises to transport us to one of my favorite places, Goa. We are at the Goan cart at Malad West. What they have very ingeniously tried to do is to make Goan khana fast food khana. And today I am playing sous chef to this very interesting gentleman, Mosquito, who started this Goan cart. Mosquito, what are we making today?
We are making Goan Frankie today.
Oh, lovely! Frankie ko Goan touch diya hai. How have you done that?
That is chicken steak Frankie.
And what is the Goan touch in it?
That is all Goan masala.
And
Goan.
Mosquito's magic touch. Let's go. So we're gonna break an egg and whisk it first. What are we putting here?
Salt.
Some
Salt and
salt
pepper.
goes in,
Salt and
pepper
pepper.
goes in, some drizzle of oil.
Yeah.
So is this one of your popular selling items
yes,
on the cart?
Yes, popular. This is also popular. A lot of burgers are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What
That
burgers?
that is chicken steak burger,
Lovely.
sausage burger, pork sausage.
Oh, the traditional Goan pork sausage, is
there
it?
is
Oh, I'd
something
love
in
to taste
tongue
that.
also. Tongue also I'm having. Some chicken chili, Goan chicken chili.
Lovely. Going for a flip. Now the assembly of the Frankie is going to happen. Okay, the chicken stick goes first.
Yeah, chicken steak goes first.
2 pieces.
2 pieces, yes. Then the salad.
That's
So-
good to go. Now what
This
goes
is-
up? Ketchup?
Yeah, put in. This is the tomato ketchup. This is chili sauce.
Lovely. What next?
I have to roll it now.
This Frankie is one of the hottest selling items here, and Mosquito and I have made it, and I'm going to taste it in some time. So stay tuned. That's more coming up later.
In 19 January 1981, I left Goa. So I came down to Bombay, that is Dhobi Talao area. I just got a call that come for the practice, football practice. Then I went for the practice and I select over there, that is Central Railway football team. And coach, he said, it'll take at least 4 months for the job. I said, I better do some part-time work. My friend was working Horizon Hotel, so he recommended me over there. After a long time, my dad expired and my mom and my sister came down to Bombay. Then I said, now what to do? Then I said, better we start now, Goan fast food. That time I start for the 10 days and there was very good result. I started 97 September. Now almost 24 years became. I'm running this cart and many items I changed, First it was very less, only chicken steak, and now we start Frankie also. Fast selling items are, that is chicken steak, mutton steak, then pork steak, sausage burger. Future plan, till I'm there, I'll run this cart. And my son is saying now, after me, he will run this cart.
What is your favorite dish on the menu? Chicken steak burger.
So we are from Goa. So this place gives you the essence of Goa. Their burgers are the best in town. You will not get this taste anywhere.
I come here and he knows exactly what I want, so he gives me this Goan sausage burger.
Steak burger, and I usually have it with cheese, and that's been my favorite.
Are you a regular customer here?
Every day.
I should say about 15 years now. I've been coming here from school time to now, like I'm working now. So
Yes, it's 2003.
We've come from Borivali, IC, and quite a distance to
we're
see
covered,
this. So if you want to rate the food over here on a scale of 10,
11 on 10.
see, I would not rate this place because you're like kind of connected to this childhood. So wherever I eat something, this is going to be the best ever.
9.5 for the lovely Goan food.
I'd always be biased and say 9 on 10.
This is their Goan sausage burger, one of the many delicious dishes that they serve here. They also serve Goan Frankies, some traditional, very authentic Goan gravy such as Capriol, Vindaloo, Sorpotel. The list goes on, and I'm going to taste this first. Let's go. It's a flavor bomb. It is cooked with a lot of onions, Goan masala, chili, and the burger is just singing of Goan flavors. It's a must try. Next, I'm going for the Frankie that Mosquito and I made. This is the chicken steak Frankie. Wonderfully crispy chicken steak, The chili sauce that is drizzled in the Frankie, I've been told, has been made by Mosquito with a special masala and special recipes at home. And that unique flavor really comes through. A must try. Next, I'm going to go for the chicken cafrial. Now, chicken cafrial is a very interesting dish. It was brought to India by the Portuguese. So here goes. So good. It has loads of flavor. There's coriander, mint, chili, garlic. It is amazing. If you're eating Goan food, Vindaloo is the dish to try. Again, inspired by the Portuguese. Vindaloo is actually a preservation technique that the Portuguese sailors use. Has lots of vinegar, garlic, and of course chicken. Yummy. This is one of my favorite dishes and it is so well made. The very fact that I can enjoy this very hearty Goan meal on the streets of Bombay makes me very happy. And if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe to The Foodie and catch us for more such experiences very soon. Thank you.